Hey, Nicole.
Hi.
Where are we?
We're on the Carnival Horizon.
Hello everyone, Jerry Riz here, coming to you with another video, and today I am actually out on a cruise. We're just about to leave New York. Actually, look, we've already left the port. Say goodbye, New York. So the reason for this little trip is I got married about a year ago on the 16th to my lovely wife, Nicole. And so this is kind of like a little treat to ourselves. So I'm going to let you know that this is the new Carnival Horizon. Now, this ship is brand new. I think it just started this summer, actually going out on trips. Luckily, well, unluckily for North Carolina, South Carolina, but lucky for us, the hurricane skirted past Bermuda, and that's where we're headed. Let's go. Yeah. Here it goes.
And we're going under the very narrows bridge.
Bye, New York! Alright, so back in the room, I just grabbed the camera because today is the second day. This is the day completely at sea. We have nothing around us for hundreds of miles, and I just kind of wanted to show you the ship. Let's go. Grab my card, what? Okay, so this right here is the 14th floor. This is like the highest level of the ship where you can actually, you know, have passengers like sleeping. See, these are the rooms that I just came out of. We're on the 14th floor. We're on the spa level, so we have access to the spa upstairs, which I'll show you in a little bit. But first, we're gonna go down to Lido deck. All right, you see this party going on down here? Look at this. All right, we got the whole water park over here. Yeah. Let's go on down. I'm totally gonna go on that water slide later. That is for sure. Look at that thing. Oh my God, it's packed out here. Holy crap.
Don't be shy with the alcohol. Don't be shy.
Oh, this is the mixology contest that's happening right now.
I'm gonna need you to come on over
Whoa.
here. Come on in and sit.
All right, so let's check out the burgers because I need a burger.
What's your mama get?
This is Guy's Burger Bar, like Guy Fieri. Yeah, this is his burger bar, but it's actually some of the best food on the ship, believe it or not. Those burgers right there. All right, we're out of that madness. That was a party for sure. Way too loud to be out there right now, I guess, because I wanted to show you the rest of the ship. So now we're walking through. This is like the buffet section. This is where you come for all your grub, even 24 hours. Like you can come down here and you can eat whatever you damn well please. So let's go to the back of the ship. We're gonna go all the way to the back so you can see what it looks like out there. Open sesame. All right, so now this is the back of the ship. So you have another pool out here, which is kind of great. Got some whirlpools up there, regular pool, but let's look straight out the back. Wow. There we go. Okay, so here's the pizza shop on the ship. This thing is open 24/7, but even at midnight last night, this thing was packed out. But there's not too long of a line now. Maybe I should grab a pizza. Should I grab a pizza? I probably should grab a pizza.
They give you a whole one. They don't give you a small one. What do they give you? That's the size they give you. Everybody thinks fake.
Alright, so I actually got my pizza. It's right there. Margarita, I'm also going to wait on a prosciutto just because I have to have it. Okay, finally the prosciutto is here. A little bit of roasted garlic, I think. A little bit of hot pepper. Good to go. That's slippery. Yes. Alright, so you saw all that. Now we're going to head up to the Serenity deck, which is the adult-only section. Let's go. Serenity. Ooh, Serenity. Alright, so we got these little cabanas here, which are awesome. Cabana, cabana, cabana. Let's see what else we can find. And here we are. They have a bar up here. You can get like salads and stuff. But let's see if I can find the wife. Ah, she's eating. Of course she's eating. Greens.
First time in 2 days.
But yeah, so this is the top deck, adults only. Got 2 whirlpools, bar, dance floor type thing. But yeah, I'm gonna spend my time here for a little while. All right, it's time. I'm gonna go up the slide. The Cat in the Hat fun things. I might as well give it a shot. Let's go! Ow! Look at that. Look at that. That's the top of the ship. We're gonna get a good view of the whole ship. Look at that. Woo! So which slide are you gonna go down? Red one? The red one? All right, here we go. Whoa! Woo! 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 Let's go fast, let's go! Whoa, fuck, whoa! That was good. Well, that was fun, but let's go! Oh, it's good to be a kid. Alright, so here we are. We are in Bermuda, or at least close to it. We are going into port right now. That is the island. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning. I think we're supposed to dock and be able to get off the ship by 8. This is gonna be a fun day. I got my drone with me. We're gonna see what we can find. Get into a little bit of trouble maybe. It's gonna be awesome. Alright, so I happen to know of the only place on the ship I can get cold brew. And that's where I'm going right now, because I need it. And there is already a line. Required. I have acquired the coffee. Oh, that's needed. Oh, good stuff. Slippery, man. Hey, Nicole.
Hi.
Hey, where are we?
Bermuda.
Bermuda. We are actually on the island. This is like our first stop off the ship. This is an old naval yard. It has a brew pub in it, which is awesome. My kind of navy, you know. But where are we gonna go? We're just tooling around, right?
Taking off.
Taking off onto some adventure. You're gonna come along with us.
We are in Horseshoe Bay, apparently.
Horseshoe Bay Beach. It says hidden beach, but you know, it doesn't look.
very hidden.
It doesn't look so hidden. This is like the most hidden beach
Quite mysterious.
that I've ever seen. But we are
Deserted, really.
heading down here, and yeah. Oh, they have a bar and grill. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Of course they do. Made it up the cliff. It's not so scary or anything, but check out the view I got. Huh. That's a lot of people. Calico Jacks. So this is a pirate ship that we get to jump off of, like the deck and the plank and all that stuff. Drunk. We're gonna do that drunk. It's gonna be great. Woo! Through the ship. I'm on the Pixel right now, but we got to do the chef's tasting, and we're going through the whole galley, which is the, you know, kitchen on a ship. So there you go. Look at that. Hello.
Hi, good evening.
Thank you, Chef Danny. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Good evening.
I just going to show you the melting chocolate cake. Anybody like melting chocolate cake?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Everyone loves the melted butter.
How's the food so far? Enjoying the food?
Oh, that's what we want. That's exactly what we want right there. So good. Look at this thing. This is the final boss, the final course, the final boss of dessert. Nicole,
Hello, honey.
where are we heading?
Smoked meats.
Smoked meats, was it? That Pig and Anchor, right? There it is, right there. Okay, so full disclosure, we have not come here yet. This is like a buffet style barbecue place. This is Guy Fieri's vision for barbecue, and I gotta tell you something. Diners Drive Dives, great, and I'm willing to give it a shot. Let's go. It's a very slow door.
Especially when you know what's on the other side.
Oh, here we go. All right. Is it open? It's gotta be open. It says it is. All right. Pig and Anchor. This is the buffet. Buffet, obviously, ocean in the background, which is amazing. Let's check out the buffet. Oh man. The smoked meats everywhere. Hello, how you doing, guys? Oh, sausages too? Oh man. All right, we gotta see what we want here.
Anything else, sir?
For right now, I think that's plenty. Thank you much, buddy. Look at that.
Yes, I'll have one.
Oh my goodness. Enjoy. Let me grab a silverware so I'm not a beast.
And what is that? Ooh, what is that?
Hey Nicole, you got all your stuff?
Oh my God.
Collard greens. What? Let's go. Oh, we got sauces here. Okay. Alright, so here's the final product. If I can put it out. I'm definitely getting more, but we got the andouille sausage, we got the pork butt, little roll to try out, little bit of coleslaw, the sriracha barbecue, let's see how that goes, and the mac and cheese. I heard really good things about the mac and cheese. Everyone was saying the mac and cheese is really good.
Maybe I'll have one.
But check out this ocean right here. Look at this right now. It is blue, and it is awesome. It is so nice, so nice. Okay, so if you've never seen a mall in a cruise ship before, this is a mall in a cruise ship. And look at all the people trying to get free stuff that's not really free. All right, everyone. This brings our trip to a close. We are about to go to sleep on our final sea day, and we go back to New York at about like 6 a.m. in the morning, I think. Did you enjoy yourself?
I need a vacation for my vacation.
Ha, so she says. But first, we need to pop this because this is our anniversary, and it's time to celebrate that on the final night. Let's see if I can open this thing up properly. All right, let's see if I can not kill us.
Yes, no black eyes.
Oh. Are we safe? Safe. Let's go. 1, 2, not 2, not 3. Come on!
The force is strong with the moe.
There it goes.
Woo! I think we killed a light bulb.
All right, time to get done. And these are not shame big eyes. These are just glasses from my room because we're cool like that. Happy anniversary, baby.
Happy anniversary.
All right.
Oh.
You good?
That's nice.
All right, that's a wrap. Okay, so I'm unaware if any of you have ever seen something like this, but this is a hand washer that is apparently on the ship. Look at this. It spins water around your hands with soap, and yeah, it just does that, and it cleans your hands. Is this a Dyson? No, it's a
No, it's not.
I don't know. Looks like something Dyson would do.
Why haven't they yet? Oh, yes.
Is this a sensual experience for you?
Weirdly, yes.